Okay, so let's start now. We will go to Google browser and then we will search create Google account. Okay, enter, and then next we have to click the Google, create your Google account here, this one, click. Okay, and then we will fill in the information needed here. For example, okay, so Danny, okay, I have here, okay, and then username, so we will make it small, Danny, okay, Danny Ma. Okay, so our password, 5, 6, 7, 8, love 26. Okay, next 5, 6, 7, 8, love 26. Okay, so next. Okay, so there is a suggestion there, look at, so we will choose this one. Okay, and then next, and then we have to provide our phone number. Okay, so once you provided it, okay, we will click the next and there will be a notification in your phone. Okay, just wait for a minute. Okay, 8706. Okay, and then verify, click verify. Okay, and then birthday. Okay, okay, like that example, and then we have here the gender female, and then after that we are going to click the next again, and then yes, I'm in. And then we have to agree the terms. Okay, we have that one. So agree. Okay, so then we created the Google email. So we have here our Gmail account. So this one. So look at that one. So we have that one already. So after that, we will proceed to YouTube. Okay, so we have here, we will type YouTube. Okay, then click, and then So youtube.com. Okay, and then we will sign in. So sign in. Okay, so we have here now, see? So what you're going to do, you have to create channel. Okay, so then you have get started, and then here you are. The last thing to do is here. Okay, we are here now, so you have to upload your picture here, and then you have to write something here, description, tell about your channel. Okay, this channel is about food, okay, blah 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 blah, okay, like that. And then add your links here, okay, and then here you add your Facebook here, your Twitter and your Instagram, and then you have to save. And here you go, you have your YouTube channel now, so you can customize, and then you can have your YouTube studio. So you just explore this one. So I hope you learned something from this. I hope you will start your YouTube channel now. So good luck. Enjoy vlogging soon. Thank you.